In the heart of India, a quiet revolution is taking shape. It is a revolution not of protest, but of purpose. Its architect is Prasanna Kumara, an innovator with a vision as vast and as ancient as the subcontinent itself. He sees a future where India's timeless traditions are not relics of the past, but are the very foundation of its technological future. His dream is not merely about building smarter cities or faster networks. It is about weaving the threads of our rich heritage into the digital fabric of tomorrow. He believes that true progress comes from looking inward, to our roots, and then looking forward, to the endless possibilities of technology. His work is a testament to this powerful idea. Prasanna Kumara's journey began with a simple yet profound question. How can we build an India that is both technologically advanced and deeply connected to its cultural soul? He saw a world rushing towards a uniform globalized future, often at the cost of local identity and community wisdom. He believed India's path must be different. It must be a path that honors our ancestors while empowering our children. This vision is not about rejecting modernity, but about shaping it to serve our unique civilizational values. He imagines an India where a village artisan uses a global platform to sell her craft, and a software developer finds inspiration in ancient philosophical texts. This is the India he is tirelessly working to build every single day. This vision is ambitious. It requires us to rethink the very purpose of innovation. For Prasanna, technology is not just a tool for efficiency or profit. It is a means to achieve a greater good, to strengthen the bonds of community, and to create a more equitable society for all. He challenges the notion that progress must come at the cost of tradition. Instead, he demonstrates that our traditions hold the keys to solving some of our most pressing modern problems. From sustainable living to community governance, the answers, he argues, have always been with us. We just need to learn how to listen to them with new ears and amplify them with new tools. His work is a powerful reminder that India's greatest strength lies in its ability to synthesize. We have always been a nation of brilliant adaptation and creative fusion. Prasanna Kumara is simply continuing this long and storied tradition in the 21st century. He is showing us that we do not have to choose between being Indian and being modern. We can be both. We can build a future that is authentically our own, a future that is prosperous, sustainable, and deeply rooted in the wisdom of our land. He is not just building projects, he is building a new narrative for India, one of hope, self-reliance, and boundless potential. At the core of Prasanna Kumara's work is a powerful philosophy he calls Tech for Dharma. This is not just a catchy slogan. It is a guiding principle that shapes every decision he makes and every system he builds. Dharma, in this context, means more than just duty or religion. It refers to the natural, cosmic order, the right way of living that sustains individuals, communities, and the environment. Tech for Dharma is therefore the practice of designing and using technology in a way that aligns with this harmonious order. It means creating systems that are fair, that foster connection, and that empower people to live fulfilling lives. It is a profound shift from tech for profit to tech for purpose. This philosophy is built on the foundation of systems thinking. Prasanna understands that you cannot solve one problem in isolation. A challenge in transport is connected to employment, which is connected to community well-being, which is connected to the environment. He sees society as a complex, interconnected web. Therefore, his solutions are never just single-point fixes. They are holistic systems designed to create positive ripple effects across the entire community. He believes in creating virtuous cycles, where solving one problem helps to solve another. This approach requires patience, deep listening, and a comprehensive understanding of the delicate balance that holds a community together. Another key pillar of his philosophy is the idea of evolving traditions. Prasanna does not see tradition as something static or frozen in time. He views it as a living, breathing stream of wisdom that must adapt and evolve to meet the needs of the present. He believes we must preserve the essence of our traditions, their core values of compassion, community, and respect for nature, while being willing to let go of outdated forms. His work involves a delicate dance of preservation and innovation. He carefully extracts the timeless principles from our cultural practices and then reimagines them for the digital age, creating something that is both new and eternal. Ultimately, Tech for Dharma is about decentralization and empowerment. It is about moving power away from large, central institutions and placing it back into the hands of individuals and communities. Prasanna believes that people are the true experts of their own lives and their own localities. Technology, in his view, should be a tool that enables them to solve their own problems and build their own futures. This is a radical departure from the top-down model of development. It is a vision of a truly democratic and participatory society, where everyone has a voice, and everyone has the tools to contribute to the collective good. Prasanna Kumara's vision is not just theoretical. It is being brought to life through a series of bold, groundbreaking projects. One of his most impactful initiatives is a community-owned ride-hailing service. Think of it as a local taxi app, but with a crucial difference. It is owned and operated by the drivers and the community themselves, not by a distant corporation. This simple change has profound consequences. It ensures that profits stay within the local economy, empowering the very people who provide the service. It fosters a sense of ownership and pride, leading to better service and stronger community ties. It is a perfect example of using technology to create a fairer, more self-reliant local transport system. Another innovative project is a digital wellness platform that blends modern technology with the ancient science of yoga. This is not just another fitness app. It uses technology to make the deep, holistic wisdom of yoga accessible to everyone, everywhere. The platform offers personalized guidance, connects users with experienced teachers, and helps them integrate yogic principles into their daily lives. By doing so, it addresses the modern epidemics of stress and lifestyle diseases with a solution that is thousands of years old. It is a beautiful marriage of ancient knowledge and cutting-edge technology, designed to promote physical, mental, and spiritual well-being for a new generation of Indians. Prasanna is also deeply committed to strengthening local economies. He has helped develop platforms that support small businesses and artisans, connecting them directly with customers and cutting out the middlemen. These platforms are not just about commerce, they are about storytelling. They help preserve and promote traditional crafts and local products by sharing the stories of the people who make them. This creates a deeper connection between the producer and the consumer, turning a simple transaction into a meaningful exchange. It is a powerful way to ensure that India's rich cultural and economic diversity thrives in the digital age, preventing it from being washed away by mass-produced goods. Perhaps his most ambitious venture is in the industrial sector, where he is pioneering a new model for eco-friendly steel production. This project aims to decentralize the manufacturing process, creating smaller, greener facilities that are integrated with local communities. By using innovative, sustainable technologies, the project seeks to reduce the environmental footprint of a traditionally polluting industry. It also aims to create skilled jobs and economic opportunities in the regions where these facilities are located. This is systems thinking on an industrial scale, proving that even heavy industry can be reimagined to be more sustainable, more humane, and more beneficial for society as a whole. To build this new India, Prasanna Kumara employs a carefully chosen set of technological tools. He is a strong advocate for blockchain technology, not for cryptocurrency speculation, but for its original promise, creating trust and transparency. He uses blockchain to build systems where records cannot be tampered with and where rules are enforced automatically and fairly. For his community taxi app, this means transparent and instant payments for drivers. For his local business platforms, it means a verifiable record of a product's origin. Blockchain for him is the digital foundation for building trustworthy communities and decentralized organizations where everyone is held accountable. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another critical tool in his arsenal. He sees a world where everyday objects are connected to the internet, gathering data and making our environment more responsive and intelligent. In his eco-friendly steel project, IoT sensors monitor energy consumption and emissions in real time, allowing for constant optimization and ensuring the process remains as green as possible. In his wellness initiatives, wearable devices can track health metrics and provide personalized feedback based on yogic principles. IoT is the bridge that connects the physical world to his digital systems, making them smarter, more efficient, and more attuned to human needs. Crucially, Prasanna is a passionate champion of open source and no-code technologies. He believes that the power to create with technology should not be limited to a small elite of highly trained programmers. Open source software, which is free for anyone to use and modify, lowers the barrier to entry for innovators everywhere. Furthermore, He promotes no-code platforms, which allow people with no programming experience to build their own apps and websites using simple drag-and-drop interfaces. By putting these powerful tools in the hands of ordinary people, he is sparking a grassroots digital renaissance, empowering communities to build their own solutions to their own problems. Through his various brands and platforms, Prasanna is also a master storyteller. He understands that a project's success depends not just on its technology, but on the narrative that surrounds it. Each of his brands is carefully crafted to tell a story that resonates with Indian culture and values. The names, logos, and designs often draw inspiration from Indian mythology, nature, and art. This is not just a marketing gimmick. It is a deliberate strategy to create an emotional connection, to make technology feel familiar, approachable, and authentically Indian. He is not just selling a service, he is inviting people to be part of a larger cultural story. The path of a true innovator is never easy, and Prasanna Kumara has faced his share of formidable challenges. Building systems that challenge the status quo inevitably invites resistance from entrenched interests. He has had to navigate complex regulations, overcome deep-seated skepticism, and compete with giant, well-funded corporations. There have been moments when resources were scarce, and the path forward was unclear. Yet his response to these obstacles is what truly defines him. Instead of giving up, he adapts. Instead of fighting battles head-on, he finds creative workarounds. His resilience is fueled by his unwavering belief in his mission and his deep connection to the communities he serves. His greatest strength in overcoming these challenges has been his commitment to collaboration. He does not see himself as a lone genius, but as a facilitator of collective intelligence. When faced with a difficult problem, he brings people together, engineers, artists, elders, and entrepreneurs. He creates spaces where diverse perspectives can meet and new solutions can emerge. This collaborative spirit turns challenges into opportunities for growth and innovation. It also builds a strong, resilient network of supporters who are invested in the success of the mission. For Prasanna, every obstacle is simply an invitation to build a stronger, more inclusive coalition for change. Prasanna Kumara's ultimate hope for India's future is one of empowered, self-governing communities. He envisions a nation of Swaraj in the truest sense, not just political independence, but genuine self-reliance at the grassroots level. In this future, communities use technology to manage their own resources, run their own enterprises, and preserve their own culture. It is a future where technology serves Dharma, where economic growth is sustainable and inclusive, and where every citizen is an active participant in the great project of nation building. This is not a utopian fantasy. It is a practical, achievable vision that he is building, brick by digital brick. Now the invitation is extended to you. This is not Prasanna Kumara's mission alone. It is a movement for all of us who believe in a better future for India. He is not looking for followers. He is looking for co-creators. He is calling on every Indian, the technologist in Bengaluru, the farmer in Punjab, the student in Delhi, the artist in Kolkata, to join this journey. Bring your skills, your ideas, and your passion. Let us come together to blend our ancient wisdom with modern tools. Let us build an India that is prosperous, equitable, and true to its soul. The work has begun. The time to join is now.